see here that the system, I have to draw the system here. Okay, this is the system. Now we have to apply here the one input and we'll get the corresponding output. So I am denoting here, this is the y is in output like. Okay, so this is the output type and this is the input. I would say this is the input here. Okay, all right. So we have seen there are the two equations, that is the x. I can do one more thing. This is the detailing thing. So this is the x differential and this is the a, and here this is the x plus b, and this is your u, and this is the y, and this is the c, x, and this is the d, and this is the u. So what is the order of this? This is known as, so firstly we need to do one arrange to the same time as a vector in an order. So how will do this? This is the n cross 1, so that is the n cross n. This is the n cross 1, and here n cross m, m cross 1, p cross 1, p cross m, and this is the n cross 1, and this is the your n p cross m, and this is the m cross 1. So this is the differential state vector. What is this? This is the output vector. This is the state vector. This is the input matrix. This is the output, not the sorry, this is not the input matrix, this is the system matrix. This is the system matrix, and this is the output matrix. Alright, this is the input matrix, and this is your input vector. Okay, so and this is d is here data transmission matrix. Okay, all right. So what is the n and p and m? That is also important here. The n is a number of state variable, and p is here number of output variable, and here the m is number of input variable. Okay, all right. So we're going to define this part. What is this? So we need to understand, this is the input. So input is here. What is the input here? This is the b is an input, and what is the order of this matrix here, the input matrix? I would say this is the input matrix will be order of the n cross m. Okay, so this is the input matrix, which is making the relation in a system with the input here, and input vector. What is the input vector? This is the u of an input vector, which is known as m cross 1 is an order. This is the order where m is denoting number of input variable. Okay, and this is the output side. In the output side you will get, this is the your y, and this is the y your p cross n. This is the p cross 1, and p cross 1 where the p is number of output variable, and what the relation of the system to output is c. Okay, so this is the c, and the c is an order of p cross n. And one more thing, what? The input and output will also have a relation. What the relation is, that this is the data transmission matrix here. So data transmission matrix p cross m. Okay, And one more thing here, this is the A, your system matrix, which is the order of n cross n, it means a square matrix, and it's also having a differential state vector, which is a n cross 1 is on order here. So this is the thing we need to see. Now we need to move further.